Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I have, yes, again, something really exciting for you guys, and it is, dun, 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 Red Iguana's realistic practice hand. I have been wanting this for ever, and it's finally in my hands, so today I'm going to open the box with you guys.
So the hand comes in this cute little white box with Red Iguana's logo. Inside the box, first things first, you get the instructions and directions of usage to make sure you know how to take care of your new practice hand. Then comes the real fun, all beautifully wrapped in this cute little organza bag. Then a bunch of these little fuzzy thingies to protect your precious package. So the hand I got is the half hand, and without further ado, let's take it out of this bag. Okay guys, OMG. I am seriously super impressed. I have never seen something that realistic in my life. Seriously, this is pure perfection. I mean, really, look at all the details. It is insane. I had seen pictures of it on the internet and it did look very realistic, but when you see it for real in your hands, it's just insane. I mean, you'll know it's silicone when you touch it, but in a picture or a video, there is no way in the world that somebody who doesn't know will guess that it's not a real hand. It's just too perfect. Now I chose the poseable version of the half hand. So in the back here, you can see the armature. And seriously, I do not regret my choice because you can really place the hand and the finger the way you want it to be. So you can make it look different in different pictures. Truly, the fact that it's poseable is really amazing. One thing that is important though is you need to treat your hand as if it was a real person's hand. So you don't want to play too much with it and twist the fingers the way they shouldn't twist because you don't want to break the wire in the inside of the hand. Now, since I'm going to be using the hand mainly for nail art tutorials and pictures, I got the hand with the nails on already. These are glued on. And what I do is I put a peel off base coat first, and then I go on with my nail art. And once I'm done, I just pop them off and it doesn't remove the actual nail that is stuck on the hand. April Ryan, the maker of this hand, also has a lot of other ways to use the hand, and she has them all on her YouTube channel that I invite you to visit. That being said, I wanted to tell you again how impressed I am with this hand. It is insanely realistic and amazingly well done. The details and the quality of it is just perfect. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and also I would like to ask you guys if you have any ideas. I want to give my hand a cute little name. Please write them down in the comments section and I will make sure to read them all before I choose her little name. Bye!